Bitcoin slides underneath $20,000 to lowest level in 18 months. Bitcoin tumbled more than 13% at one point on Saturday, crashing under the closely watched $20,000 stage to its weakest stage in 18 months, as it prolonged a slide on investor concerns about growing problems in the enterprise and the overall pullback from riskier property. The digital forex quarter has been pummeled this week after cryptocurrency lending company Celsius froze withdrawals and transfers between debts, at the same time as crypto corporations started out laying off personnel. There also were reports that a cryptocurrency hedge fund had run into trouble. The traits have coincided with an equities slide, as U.S. stocks suffered their biggest weekly percent decline in 2 years on fears of rising hobby costs and the developing chance of recession. The improved pace and intensity of Bitcoin losses in conjunction with the shares rout should task aid for the cryptocurrency from quite a number investor businesses. While some institutions bought Bitcoin hoping it would offset declines in stocks and bonds, it hasn't proven that it is an uncorrelated asset, said Michael Purves, founder and chief gov officer of Tallbacken Capital. The case for institutions to buy the dip is more challenged now for the reason that the application for Bitcoin has yet to be established, he stated. I assume this is going to slice through $15,000, he stated. There is a lot pace on the disadvantage. Bitcoin, the largest cryptocurrency, had dropped around 13.7% via Saturday afternoon to a low of $17,593, its weakest stage on the grounds that December 2020, before pulling lower back up to $18,556, nevertheless down 9.22%. It has lost approximately 60% of its fee this 12 months, while rival cryptocurrency Ethereum-backed Ether is down 74%. In 2021, Bitcoin peaked at greater than $68,000. Breaking $20,000 indicates you that confidence has collapsed for the crypto enterprise and that you're seeing the brand new stresses, Edward Moya, senior marketplace analyst at OANDA, said on Saturday. Moya stated that even the loudest crypto cheerleaders from the massive rally are actually quiet. They are nevertheless optimistic long time, but they're now not saying that is the time to shop for the dip. The zone has additionally suffered losses after companies inclusive of Coinbase, Nasdaq, Coin, Global Inc., Gemini and BlockFi said they might lay off lots of employees as traders ditch volatile belongings. The slide is hitting retail traders that bought into the asset. There's a fantastic quantity of human beings as a way to be scarred for all time, stated Moya, relating to retail consumers. But there are nonetheless a whole lot of people that had been approximately to get into the space, and there is nevertheless interest. Technical Levels Jeffrey Gundlach, CEO of DoubleLine Capital, said on Wednesday he might not be amazed if Bitcoin fell to $10,000. Others say the deepening slide could force greater investors to dump Bitcoin, which rose alongside other unstable belongings for the duration of the generation of pandemic-related stimulus. The $20,000 degree for Bitcoin is an essential technical level, and the dip beneath may additionally cause more margin calls resulting in forced liquidations, stated Jay Hatfield, leader investment officer at Infrastructure Capital Management in New York. Bitcoin may additionally dip beneath the $10,000 stage this year because the Federal Reserve liquidity-driven bubble completely bursts, with Bitcoin returning to its pre-pandemic stages, he said. At Saturday's lows, Bitcoin turned into in danger of final under key stages recognized with the aid of technical analysis, that could make stronger bearish sentiment. One of these stages became $19,225, the 76.4% Fibonacci retracement degree of its rise during the pandemic. The other was $19,666, the cycle high for the preceding Bitcoin rally that peaked in 2017.